Hi, and welcome to softwaretestingmaterial.com. Let's review QMetry Test Management for Jira. AI is a buzzword that we hear everywhere, both at work and at home at the dinner table with friends and family. But what is so important about this term that makes it so popular for people from all different areas of expertise? And how does QMetry Test Management for Jira, or QTM4J, leverage this powerful tool to their advantage? QTM4J harnesses that power of AI to optimize the productivity and efficiency of test coverage for quality assurance teams. It uses an intelligent AI algorithm to analyze each test case and produce a flaky test score, which allows QA managers to assess and sort through test cases that may or may not need further testing. In addition to this AI feature, QTM4J calculates a success rate based on previous test executions, further ensuring confidence in releases by QA managers. These two unique features, flaky test detection and predictive test coverage, gives QTM4J an advantage over competitors like Zephyr Squad, Zephyr Scale, AIO, and X-Ray. Another core capability of QTM4J is that it is integrated within Jira for a streamlined test management process, providing a centralized platform for tracking and managing test cases within the project management ecosystem. QTM4J also offers enterprise-grade test management for Agile and DevOps teams, crucial for efficient test management, collaboration, automation, and continuous integration. QTM4J seamlessly integrates with CI/CD tools such as Jenkins, Bamboo, GitLab, and CircleCI. They also offer over 30 off-the-shelf reports, including the best cross-project reporting in the Atlassian ecosystem for testing projects. Diving deeper into QTM4J's off-the-shelf reports, they include coverage analytics, test run reports, time frame reports, traceabilities between stories, test cases, execution, and effects, real-time monitoring of project progress, cross-project reporting, dashboard gadgets, and Confluence integration. QTM4J supports a diverse integration of CI/CD tools, a key feature that allows for smooth automation of the testing process. Additionally, with their REST APIs and BDD tools, teams can easily automate their testing efforts, enabling efficient and robust test execution. QTM4J also allows version control and easy access to test assets by integrating with source control repositories. The tool provides seamless integration with automation frameworks, allowing teams to really leverage the existing automation infrastructure. QTM4J's test authoring and test execution offers efficient versioning and management capabilities for teams to create and track test cases and revisions over time. You can also share test cases to avoid duplicated efforts, and QTM4J supports data parameterization for the reusable test datasets. These features contribute to streamlining test authoring and improving test efficiency. QTM4J's test management allows easy navigation and customization, emphasizing traceability and reusability, enabling teams to establish clear links between test artifacts and to create reusable test assets. This enhanced user experience, productivity, and efficient testing process has really made QTM4J stand out to me, especially compared to other test management tools. Scalability and collaboration are key, and it's clear to me that QTM4J really understands that. They integrate with Jira and Confluence, allowing global work and knowledge sharing, and the tool adapts to growth and facilitates collaboration between development and QA teams. QTM4J has made migration simple by offering migration utility for Zephyr, X-Ray, and TestRail with proven processes to achieve a better return on investment, faster time to market, and reduction in testing cost. This actually leads up to easy migration within just a few hours. QTM4J offers unique capabilities that simplifies the life of every QA engineer. With QTM4J, you can seamlessly collaborate across teams, reduce time to market, optimize return on investment, and easily scale your testing efforts. Summarizing QTM4J's pricing details, QTM4J has two plans available for Jira teams working on cloud and data center. And there's a 30-day free trial to get a better feel for their test management. Thank you for listening to my review of QMetry Test Management for Jira, and I hope this video was helpful for you.